Today we are in North Indio looking at the new home community España. The builder is Lennar, and this community is located north of the 10 freeway in Indio on the border of Palm Desert. Now this is an HOA gated community with HOA fees of $195 at build out, 318 single family homes with paid for solar. Now these homes range anywhere from the high 400s to the high 600s. They do have a multi-generational model. There's 2 models in each of the 3 collections that I am going to take you through today. My name's James with LPT Realty. Thank you so much for joining me, and let's check them out. Thank you so much for joining me as I take you through the last installment of the España new home community by Lennar, located in North Indio, right off the 10 freeway on the border of Palm Desert and Indio. If you've been following from the beginning, you've already seen the Avila series, which is their smallest. They have 2 homes modeled there that I previewed earlier. And then the Palencia series, which is their mid-base model, if you will. And we just completed that. And this is the Terrasa series with 2 homes modeled here. One of them is their most popular, which is the first one we're gonna see today. It's their Next Gen series, which is the multi-gen model home. It has a casita with a separate entrance, its own garage, a kitchenette, a bedroom, restroom, all of that stuff. So this one starts at $647. There are in the main home 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and then the casita with the 1 bed, 1 bath, 2434 square feet. So let me flip this camera around and take a look. We're gonna start here in the casita. Okay, so let's take a look at the next series. This is the Terrasa series. This is Residence 2. They have 2 models here. This one's gonna be 2434 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths, and the Next Gen suite, which means it's got a casita. And according to the sales office, this is the most popular floor plan. So you've got a separate garage there that could be for your casita, and then your 2-car garage there. So this is on the right side of the home. It's got its own separate entrance. So this is the 1 bed, 1 bath with the kitchen and its own garage access. So you see there in the living area, it's got its own garage. This is the living space that you enter in through. And as I flip this around, you'll see it's got the kitchen there. So living room and kitchen together. You got a sink, you got a refrigerator, microwave, no stove. And then as you come around the corner, you're looking at the restroom, shower, no tub, toilet and sink. You've got a washer and dryer, stackable unit there. And then this would be a solid door, but this door leads to the rest of the house. So they don't have to go outside if you have a family member living in there. And then this is your bedroom, closet. So this is the 1 bed, 1 bath casita. Love how it has its own garage as well. So if you know you have a family member living there, multi-generational family, perfect for guests. There you are. Now let's take a look at the rest of the house. So you could enter through this door here. This would be your front door there. So somewhat of a long hall there. So to the right is your casita. As you walk down this hallway, you have coat closet and storage closet combined. And then you walk into your living space there. Really large living space. That is an 8-person dining room table right off of your living area. And then here's your kitchen. Massive island. They've got 5 chairs on this island there. And then a walk-in pantry. Granite countertops, 9-foot ceilings. You've got dishwasher and sink in the island. A lot of natural light here, again with those views of the mountains. Located in North Indio. Microwave stove combo there. Very nice sized living space. And then your dining room off to the side there. Let's go take a look at all the rooms. So you can see all the rooms are on one side with the exception of the Casita. That's gonna be your primary bedroom, but let's start this way. So more storage here for linens. And then to the left is your hallway leading to bathroom number 1 in the main home. So remember, you have the 1 bathroom in the Casita. Only single sink. Single sink. Shower tub combo. Bedroom number 1. Technically bedroom 2 after the Casita. This is a full-size bed, so this is somewhat of a small bedroom here, in my opinion. Got 2 nightstands, dresser, closet. There's not a lot of space to do anything else. Right adjacent to that room is your other room. This room is much bigger, same size bed, 2 nightstands. Your closet is there. So you can see this room is much, much bigger than that 1 room across the way there. And then this is your garage access here. 2-car garage. Water heater. Side yard access. I'm not sure if I mentioned in the other videos, but these homes come with solar included. So it's not a lease. And then right off these 2 bedrooms, the garage and the hallway is your laundry. Room for washer and dryer. Doesn't look like a lot of room for a sink there. And then down this hall will be your primary bedroom. Nice size primary bedroom. Closet located off of the room. Oh, it's a very big closet. So this one's off of the bedroom rather than inside of the restroom like the others. And then here's your restroom. So now we've got a separated shower tub combo. Window there. Toilet room there. Dual vanities. A lot of natural light from the windows. And that is the Terrasa Model 2, Residence 2. So they have Residence 2 and Residence 3 modeled in the Terrasa, but this is the most popular, the Next Gen, the Multigenerational Family Series. So let's go take a look at the next one. Okay, so this is the Residence 3 of the Terrasa. So this will be the last model that we look at in the España series. This is what the outside looks like. 2-car garage. This is Residence 3 of the Terrasa series, 2,843 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Let's go inside and take a look. This one starts at $660,000. Okay, so as you enter here, you're somewhat in the dining area. To the right is your garage entry and a bedroom. So this is the largest model in España with 4 beds, 3.5 bathrooms, a flex room where it could be an optional 5th bedroom, 2-car garage or an optional 3rd-car garage. Here's your walk-in closet on this first room. There's your restroom, the shower tub combo, toilet, single vanity. This home is 2,843 square feet. So off to the right here is your first bedroom. Now you're back towards your garage and your front door. And then to the right is your dining area, kind of like your formal dining area. You could do whatever you'd like with this space because you also have a little dining area over there. To the left is a coat closet. And then a very good amount of living space with an open floor plan. You see your kitchen here. Refrigerator is there. Plenty of storage. You've got a walk-in pantry. Good sized pantry there. And then you've got the stove and microwave. Look at all that counter space, granite countertops. Oversized island. You've got your sink and dishwasher in the island. And then here's that dining area that I was telling you about. They got a table here that seats 5. So depending on the size of your family, you could use that space over there as a formal dining room, whatever, a kid's playroom, an office space. Doesn't necessarily have to be your dining area because you have so much seating here. Couple windows, backyard access off of your dining area there. And then down the hall will be your half bath. So your guest restroom there. To the right will be your primary bedroom. Let's go down the hall and take a look at the other remaining rooms first. So you've got this long hallway here. To the right is your third restroom, because we saw the first restroom in that bedroom there was a full restroom, and then we saw the half. This is another full with the shower tub combo, dual vanities right across from each other. This is your flex room or optional 5th bedroom. So if you're looking for a 5-bedroom house, this is it here. And then further down the hall to the left is your laundry area. Washer and dryer there. You can put overhead storage if you wanted to put a sink. It would be kind of tight, but you have storage space here. And then bedroom number 3. Window, walk-in closet on this bedroom. And then a massive 4th bedroom or 5th, depending on which route you went. But look at the size of this. They've got 2 twin beds in here, plus a table, dresser, and this one too has a walk-in closet. A large walk-in closet. Plenty of space. You could easily put a couple of kids in here, bunk beds, and open it up even more. But this is the largest of the 3 rooms out of this one here. The first one we saw by the front door, and this one is a really nice size too, but that one's bigger if you were going to make this a bedroom. And then back down the hall to the primary. So there is your, back to your living space. You've got a closet right here, linen closet, really nice size linen closet. And then your primary bedroom. So again, that's a California king size bed with some nightstands. We've got some really nice size chairs in front just to give you an idea of the space. And this is the first of the models that I see has backyard access from the primary bedroom. And then you've got the primary bathroom, shower tub combo, the dual vanity, and look at this massive walk-in closet that could easily be for 2 people. Plenty of space there. And that concludes our home tour of the Terrasa series in the new home community, España. If you didn't get a chance to check out the smaller models, there are 6 models in this community and you just saw the 2 largest. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And if you didn't get a chance to check out the mid-level model, the Palencia series, or the smallest models, the Avila series, there are 2 models of each and I toured those on my channel as well. So be sure to go and check those out. If you are interested in relocating to this community or anywhere in the Coachella Valley, my contact information is in the description. Be sure to contact before you contact the sales office or come and look at these new homes. Because remember, if you go to a new home community and register in the sales office without your agent, they will not allow you to have that representation through the sales process. So don't forget to register with your agent before contacting the sales office. If you have any questions about this community, North Indio or Indio at all, or anything in the Coachella Valley, be sure to contact me. I would absolutely love to help you. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed it, because every week I drop house tours just like this, let you know all of my favorite places to eat, including hidden gems and things to do, all things Coachella Valley. So I appreciate you watching and I'll catch you on the next one.